Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly aggressive, luxurious, and exclusive, the 2026 Audi RSQ8 facelift, tuned and transformed by none other than MANSORY. If you thought the standard RSQ8 was already a beast, wait until you see what MANSORY has done. This isn't just a facelift, it's a complete reinvention of Audi's flagship performance SUV. Visually, the 2026 RSQ8 by MANSORY is a statement on wheels. The front end gets a carbon fiber makeover with a new hood design, an even more aggressive splitter, and larger intakes that feed more air into the twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Wider carbon wheel arches, a dramatic rear diffuser, a roof-mounted spoiler, and forged 24-inch MANSORY wheels take the RSQ8's presence to an entirely new level. Every detail has been sharpened for visual drama and aerodynamic function. Inside, MANSORY has redefined the cabin with bespoke leather, carbon trim elements, illuminated door sills, and contrast stitching that screams performance and exclusivity. You'll find a blend of ultra-luxury and motorsport influence that few tuners achieve at this level. The craftsmanship is next level, down to the smallest accent pieces. Under the hood, MANSORY has pushed the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 to an eye-watering 780 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. That means 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 3.3 seconds, making this SUV faster than many supercars, yet still offering daily usability, quattro all-wheel drive, and 5-star comfort. The 2026 Audi RSQ8 MANSORY is not for the shy, it's for those who want to stand out, make a statement, and own something few others ever will. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next ride. Please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Future Insights.